Want to know what the most successful cleaning companies are doing differently with their Google Business Profile? They treat it like their online storefront, not a one-time setup. For a lot of people searching, it's the first place they'll decide whether or not to contact you. So what are the top cleaning businesses doing differently? They keep their information perfectly accurate. That means anything from hours to service areas to phone numbers. Next, they add real authentic photos and videos, not stock images. Show your team in action before and afters, or even just a quick video walkthrough of a clean space. That's what builds trust. Third, they ask for reviews and respond to them. After every job, send a quick text or email with a link to leave a review. And when reviews come in, even not so perfect ones, respond politely and professionally. Another thing they do is post regularly. Google lets you share updates right from your profile, just like social media. You can post cleaning tips, promotions, or quick team highlights to show the business is still active and engaged. Fifth, they use the right categories and attributes, like house cleaning or office cleaning, so they show up in more searches. And finally, they actually look at their profile insights. The best cleaning companies check data regularly and adjust their strategy based on it. Here's the bottom line. Your Google Business Profile is often the first interaction someone has with your company. Keep it accurate, keep it active, and keep it authentic. When you do, you'll not only rank higher, you'll build trust before they ever pick up the phone.